Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a quick tag that Beck, one of my lovely friends here on YouTube, tagged me in. I will leave her channel and her video down below. And this tag is all about using up our little foils and sample packets. I think this is a really fun tag. I will also leave the person who started the tags video down below as well. And I just want to thank Beck so much for tagging me, and let's get right into this. So I chose to do a morning skincare routine. It is the morning here and my kids are downstairs eating, so I'm going to quickly put on my skincare. And I just chose from all the way from cleansing to my sunscreen, and these are all brand new products to me. I haven't tried any of these, and actually some of them I haven't even tried anything from their brand. So I'm really interested in looking forward to trying these. Right, so for cleansing in the morning, I don't normally do a double cleanse. So I chose this Glam Glow Thirsty Cleanse. This is a daily hydrating cleanser. And so this is kind of interesting because I've never tried anything from Glam Glow before. And I know they're very, very popular, but something about them, they're just one of those brands that the popularity just hasn't drawn me in at all. So obviously I'm not near a sink right now, so I'm not going to completely wash my face in front of the camera, but I will, show you the product and then put it on and then go and wash my face. So and we'll come back. Oh, another thing though that I also have here, this is the makeup eraser sample. You're supposed to wet it, use warm water, and gently erase your makeup in circular motions. Here's what it looks like. Oh, it's so tiny. I'm assuming the full size is a lot bigger, but so there's supposed to be two sides here. One more of an exfoliating side that doesn't have as long of fibers, and then this softer side here. This cleanser does say to massage over a dry face and then moisten your hands with water and use in circular motions to create a foaming lather. It looks like mud. Here it is. Yeah, it's called a mud to foam. So I'm curious about what this is gonna be like. Muddy. It's not too gritty. It smells really nice, actually. I don't know how to explain it. It just kind of smells like earthy with a little bit of citrus to it. So now that that's on, I'm going to go kind of get my hands wet, and then we'll see what it looks like when I get my hands wet, and then I'll take it off with this cloth. Okay, so my hands are wet. It does kind of lather, but not in a really sudsy way. It just, you can tell it kind of emulsifies. I actually don't mind this. There's a little bit of grit in it, but not to where it feels sharp and painful. It kind of feels like it's going to be a good deep clean, which I don't always need in the morning time. Okay, so now I'm going to use this makeup eraser. I have this wet too. I know this is actually designed to where you don't need to use it with any kind of cleanser, but I thought for sample's sake that I would try it out anyways. I don't feel like it's really, I feel like it's really just smearing around my cleanser. So I might need to take the rest of this off with a regular microfiber cloth that I use in the morning. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this did actually rinse out quite well, and I am thinking that it's kind of meant to not be used with other soaps because it did really get weighted down pretty quickly and just kind of felt like it was smearing everything all over my face. So this is probably good just with water, and I'm sure it would take off makeup by itself as well. I have a couple other microfiber cloths that do that, so it's nothing new to me, but I really do like the softness of this, and I just don't know if I would pick up a full size of it. And as far as the Glam Glow cleanser goes, I actually liked it. It was good for a deeper clean. I do feel a little bit tight, but I don't normally let the water evaporate off my face right after cleansing. So that could be part of the reason, because I'm kind of taking time in between my steps here for this video, or it could just be that it was a mud mask and so it did kind of take some of my natural oils out. But it was nice for a more deeper clean if I feel like I really had like a lot of oils on my face or sweat a lot during the night or something, then I could see using it because it didn't feel irritating or anything, just kind of a deep clean. and I still actually have some left. So what I like to do is take a little bobby pin or a hair fastener and fold it over and then secure it for a cleanser. Some things don't really work that well for that, but I think I could have one more use out of this, so that's nice too. For my next step, I'm going to use a Mario Badescu Skincare Aloe Lotion. This is supposed to be for congested and dry and sensitive skin, I believe. That's what those little things down here are for. This brand actually is a brand I've never tried again before, so I thought it'd be fun to try out their little aloe toning lotion. I'm just going to pour a little bit of this onto my cotton pad. Ooh, okay. That smells like alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. I'm just gonna wave it around a little bit to help the alcohol evaporate off of it before I put it on my face. So I'm hoping that this is hydrating and that it doesn't make my skin feel even drier, because it kind of smells like something that would make my face feel dry. I'm not going to put it under my eyes. Just don't know if it's eye safe. It still smells like rubbing alcohol, but not as strong, which does make me a little bit nervous, and it doesn't really feel very hydrating. I don't even know what the ingredients were in that. I didn't have it in the packet, so I'm curious to see if there is like denatured alcohol in there or not. Maybe I'm just exaggerating. But so my skin still feels kind of tight and squeaky clean, and I don't like that. So now I'm going to put on a eye cream, and then I'm going to put on a serum. Okay, so for my eye cream, I have this little DHC CoQ10 eye cream, and I like CoQ10. It has great anti-aging properties to it, and I'm just gonna try to put it under my eye after I can open this. And you don't really need a whole lot for under the eye. This is actually going to be plenty for both eyes, I think. So this eye cream felt nice. It's not too heavy on my under eyes, which is good, because I struggled with milia, which are the little tiny bumps under my eyes, and so it's been about a year and a half since I haven't had that, because I've been really focusing on using good eye cream products. So this is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, 12.5 vitamin C hyaluronic acid. I don't have anything else from Kiehl's that's even like a sample size or full size. So here is the cream. Okay, so this is a cream, vitamin C. I was actually thinking it was a serum, so this might kind of not be the right order of product that I'm using, but we'll see how it goes. Ooh, this is very silky feeling. I smell a little bit of citrus, like, you know, a pleasant vitamin C smelling. Typically, vitamin C's like Drunk Elephant and even Timeless, and a couple of the vitamin C's are actually mixed with ferulic acid, which actually makes it even more effective, and that I think has a kind of stinky smell to it, but this doesn't. So I'm wondering if this is just doesn't have ferulic acid in it, but it's very soft. It kind of feels like there's dimethicone in it, so it kind of like this slippery, kind of good for underneath your makeup, but at the same time, it's not very heavy. It's not like a heavy dimethicone feeling. So that is what my face needed. After those couple of squeaky clean feeling products, now I feel a lot more hydrated. That hyaluronic acid, I think, is really helping to make my face feel hydrated and plump. I actually really did like that product. I don't know if I would, I wouldn't purchase the full size of it, because I like my vitamin C's in more of a serum liquidy form. Okay, so I am going to put on a moisturizer. Sometimes I just go from vitamin C to sunscreen, but I thought for the sake of this video and trying new things, I would add on another moisturizer. I do feel quite moisturized, but why not add another layer? So this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream with Super 7 Complex. I don't know what the Super 7 is, but Youth Preserve. I like that better than anti-aging. Like preserving the youthfulness of your skin instead of like, let's not age. You can age, but let's just try to preserve the youthfulness. Okay, let's squeeze some of this out. And that looks like a typical kind of thinner cream. If you haven't noticed, I'm very light-handed with my products except for sunscreen, because I just feel like I don't need to put thick layers on. I like to do some thin layers, especially in the summertime. This smells really good. It smells very spa-like. It's fruity, but very almost like a melon, but not super cucumbery fake smell melon. It's, I don't know how to explain it. This very sophisticated fruit smell. Very light too. I do like that a lot. If I had a sample of it or somebody wanted to get that for me as a gift, I would be happy about that. Okay, so now for a neck cream. I'm going to use this, again, a little tiny square of DHC's CoQ10 neck cream. I don't tend to buy special neck creams for myself. Actually, I take that back. I've never bought a neck cream for myself. I am 29, maybe I should start thinking about my neck, but I do add my normal face products down onto my neck, but anything special for it, I don't know. I don't know if it's gimmicky or not, what do you think? But I thought since we had a sample of it, I would try it out. This is very similar to the color of the CoQ10 eye cream that they had. It is thicker though. It's very nice. I like it. It doesn't really have a strong scent at all. Both these products have actually showed me that they're not too fragranted, and so if I am looking for something a little bit more affordable, but that actually still feels like it's nourishing and nice, and I'm sure I would have to look at the ingredients obviously, but as far as fragrance and feel go, I do like that. And that's what I think these little samples are great for. You can't necessarily know if something's going to change your life or change your skin because it's only a 1 or 2 time use, but it is good to know if you react to something, if you don't like the fragrance of something. And I do appreciate getting samples like that. Lastly is the Supergoop SPF 50 Everyday Sunscreen. This has cellular response technology. Wow. This has all chemical sunscreen filters in it and SPF 50, which is great. So I have tried a couple Supergoop things and I do really like them. My hands are very slippery from the other products. Okay, so I pretty much mutilated the corner of this and I think I'll be able to get some out. Yes, okay, it's gonna come out here. So I just got the little corner because my hands were so slippery from the other products. Okay, that's a lot. That's too much for my whole face, so I'm going to bring that down onto my neck as well. We'll see how this goes, but that was a little too much. I went a little too happy-go-lucky. This actually has a little smell of licorice in it. Would you like my sunscreen beard? Okay, why am I bringing it down on my neck? Focus, Jess. So I've tried Supergoop's serum before, their SPF 50 serum. I think that was in one of my first videos that I made here on YouTube. I was panning that one and I really liked that. It went on a lot faster than this one is because it was a thinner serum form. But this one isn't like horrible. It's very smooth. I know that sounds weird for me to even make a note that sunscreen is very smooth, but I've used a couple where it's like really hard to like blend in. La Vanilla, I'm talking to you. You need to work on your sunscreen formulation because that was really sticky. But this is, you know, smoothly gliding on. I don't feel like I'm tugging at my face, but I do have to kind of blend it in a little bit more. Whew, I am shiny. We'll see if it dries down and I will come back. Alright guys, it's been about an hour since the last video clip that you saw, and as you can tell, my skin is definitely still looking a bit dewy. And not super wowed by the Supergoop, and it's okay though. I mean, you can't win them all, and I have a lot of sunscreens that I do like, and I really had fun with this challenge. Let me know if you'd like to see maybe an evening skincare routine like this. I do have enough products for that, or even a makeup challenge where I just use foils of makeup samples that I have. So I hope that you found this video entertaining at least, or maybe useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of fun videos all about skincare and beauty, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!